How to book wheelchair assistance on Trip.com, step by step. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to book wheelchair assistance on Trip.com. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find exclusive Trip.com deals, promo codes, and discount offers that can save you money on your next booking. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Head over to Trip.com and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to register. It's quick, and you'll also get access to some extra travel discounts. Once you're on the homepage, you might notice that there's no direct wheelchair assistance option visible at first. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find it. What you need to do is you need to come over here onto trip.com/pages/flights/special assistance .html page, and here you'll find special assistance, right? Here you'll find different levels of wheelchair service, such as able to walk short distances, including up and down stairs, able to walk short distances but not up or down stairs, wheelchair required, cannot walk any distance, and needs an aisle chair to board. Choose the one that best fits your needs. You'll also see a Contact Special Request or Request Assistance button. Click on that to open the support chat or request form. If you've already made a booking, the system will automatically connect your request to your flight details. If not, Trip.com will guide you to contact the airline directly, since wheelchair assistance is ultimately provided by the airline at the airport. So once your flight is booked, it's always a good idea to contact the airline in advance and confirm your wheelchair assistance request with them directly. And that's it. That's how you can easily book wheelchair assistance on Trip.com in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another travel tutorial. And one last reminder, check the link in the description below to grab Trip.com promo codes, discounts, and exclusive offers for your next trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.